Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager that is part of the MS Office suite of productivity tools. It is used to manage email, contacts, calendars, and tasks in a single interface. Some of the key features of Microsoft Outlook include the ability to manage multiple email accounts in a single interface, use folders and rules to organize email messages, schedule appointments and meetings in a calendar, set reminders for appointments, meetings, and tasks, use contacts to store information about people you interact with, create tasks and to-do lists to stay organized, use the search function to quickly find messages, contacts, and other information, collaborate with others on email messages, calendar events, and tasks, access your email, calendar, and other information from anywhere using a web-based interface or mobile app. Overall, Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool for managing personal information and staying organized. It is widely used in business and other settings where email and scheduling are important. Its wide range of features makes it an essential tool for anyone who needs to manage their personal information and communication on a regular basis. If you like the video, subscribe the channel.